这辆电池列车在无需外部电缆或第三轨供电的情况下，顺利行驶于雷宾、伦敦和牛津之间，创下200英里突破世界纪录，展现技术上的巨大进展。
And what we did is we broke not only the existing record of 139 miles, which was set by Stadler back in December 2021, but we actually achieved an incredible amount of 200 miles, very much as we celebrate Railway 200 years since passengers first started using this new form of transport.
这款列车除了搭载6组混合化学电池外，还引入如同市面电动车般的快速充电技术，使列车能在停靠站短时间补电，足以支撑到达下一站或支线往返所需电量，大幅提升实用性。
To give an indication of how much power we're dealing with, so we mentioned the fact that electric vehicles have this fast charge technology. With this system, you're looking at a huge amount of electricity that if you were to plug in a half dozen to a dozen Tesla cars into this system, you'd actually melt them because there is so much power that's being downloaded into the train's batteries during that 3-minute spell.
与柴油列车相比，电池列车能减少高达80%的碳排放。这次创纪录的旅程已由专注于英国铁路效能的铁路性能协会正式验证。展望未来，大西部铁路公司计划将让常态营运的电池列车能在单次充电下至少行驶60英里，也代表着铁路迈向低碳与绿色转型的一环。新唐人亚太电视赖丽雅综合报道。